Welcome to EKTV. Today, a moderate magnitude earthquake was reported in New Zealand. The earthquake hits New Zealand today, 11 February 2022, at a shallow depth of 10 km. Geosciences of Australia is the first agency to report this quake with magnitude 4.7, and German Research Center for Geosciences is the second agency to report this quake with same magnitude. The exact magnitude, epicenter and depth might be revised in the next few hours or minutes. Please subscribe our YouTube channel for more updates. Thanks for watching.